In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up and use the battery option. Remove all media from the printer. To attach the battery option, first position the printer upside down. Place the battery housing on the printer as shown. Attach the housing to the printer using the supplied screws. Position the printer right side up. Slide the battery into the housing until it locks. Attach the power supply to the power input. Press the battery control button to wake the battery. Verify the health indicator is illuminated. The health indicator will be amber when charging. When the health indicator changes to solid green, charging is complete. Check the battery charge status at any time by pressing the battery control button. To remove the battery from the base, first disconnect the power supply. Press firmly on the latch and pull away from the base. The battery may be charged when not mounted in the base. Check the battery charge status at any time by pressing the battery control button. Place the battery in shutdown mode to preserve charge when not in use. Disconnect the power supply. Press and hold the battery control button until the charge indicators flash 3 times.